Right, let's see how this one goes. This will be an interesting one if I can make it look any good. I'm hoping I can fit it on the glass or with the wish I could remove this dock feeder sometimes, or wish it wasn't so close to the back where the original, whatever. I'm just going to go straight in. We're just going to make this an interesting piece. Alright. I don't know how big we're going to make this. We're just going to leave it at 100 for now. And we're just going to set this silly shitter up. So we're going to add a bit of background removal. This being printed on daggy sort of paper with daggy ink. It's basically almost like newsprint. Probably not quite as daggy as actual newsprint, but it's daggy nonetheless. Let's see how we go. Right, what do we got? We got here, it's a lift out, home, build, design, living, whatever. It's hard to read that. You can see it's daggy ink and daggy paper, so it's really daggy sort of shit. But it's a lift out for a newspaper, so you can't expect anything better than daggy kind of paper and shit. So we're just going to try and get rid of the word home. We don't want that on our artwork, and we're just going to put it here. So hopefully we've got it. We're just taking a punt here, and we're just going to somehow close this dock feeder on it, and we're just going to enlarge. I don't know how big we're going to make it, but we're going to take a punt. Going to try and use intuition here. So we're going to call it 200 that way, and for the horizontal we're going to call it 190. So just see how that works with this piece of daggy print, paper and print. Well, it comes from a newspaper. You've got to expect it to be a bit like shit. And there's stabilising image. Please wait, that's Konica Minolta for you. Let's see how this goes. Whoa, we've enlarged it big. We still have this on we still got that ugliness, but at least we got rid of the writing at the top. Looks a bit boring, but we can make this into an interesting mirror image. So the vertical should have been more than 200. It should have been bigger, so he fucked up there, intuitively speaking. So we're going to make it 200. We're going to make it 210. We're going to make it 210 and see how we go. Alright, out it comes. Yeah, we've gotten rid of the writing. It's only a small looking image. It doesn't look like much, but it'll still make a very good mirror image when I come to it. So I'm thinking that's going to be the centre of the job. I was thinking that was going to be the centre, but it looks like that's the centre. So let's see how we go in making this work. Okay. Let's see how this looks. So that's our second piece of our job. So many areas that could make a good centerpiece. It's hard to tell with stuff like this. So there's our two images. All we need now is to print off mirrors, the two mirrors for this. So we're just going to go here. We're going to find our mirror image button and switch it on. And we're just going to punch out two I'm actually thinking I might, just for the sake of saving potential wastage of paper and toner, is to just select this when doing an odd size enlargement and image original placement, because sometimes this machine will crop the image unnecessarily in an unwanted way, so we don't want a pair of shit images come out and then we waste a bit of time as well as resources. So now let's see how we go with these. So there's our table. It's all chopped up, everything's all cut out, it's not in one piece. So we've got that one there. Oops, a little bit on the crooked side, folks. Just straighten that up. Fuck, it's crooked, sorry folks. I'm just going to straighten this one, move it around a bit, try and get it in place. Sorry, my camera work isn't terribly good when I'm doing this. So let's see if we can just line these table legs up. Anyway, now that looks a lot interesting. I think now we can call this demo quits.